Hey. Slapping on my ass. Stop. Now make that motherfucking hammer time like, oh. Oh. Dude. I don't want to do it. We do it. It's so whack. Stop complaining. We do this every year. It's only going to be a little while. Just put it on. Oh, man. Woo. Present time. I'm so excited. Alright. Let's do this. Okay, so before this kills us both, let's just hurry up and do this. So I'll go first, okay? I'll go first. Alright, so this one's from me and my boyfriend. I hope you like it. It's just something, you know. Thanks. Oh, you know what? I hope it's that gun that I wanted, or that big gun, you know, so the other one I can use to shoot you with. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, no, you know what? I hope it's that autograph, that Dashi autograph that I wanted. Oh my god, I hope it is. I hope it's it. What is this? What is, oh, I just thought you could use it to lose weight and, you know, find a man and, you know, get out of here. Cause, yeah, you can just get out of here. That is messed up. Talking about weight. Look at you, girlfriend. Okay. You're welcome. Alright, so that gift you got me was kind of rude, just a little bit. That was kind of rude, but this one is awesome. Like, it's insane. So, you know, be careful with it. Okay? Alright. Oh, thank you. No! Don't shake it. I mean, don't shake it. Sorry. Yeah, just be careful with it. You know what? Actually, I got part 2 in the car, so give me a second. Part 2 in the car? Yeah, I'm gonna be right back, so don't move. I'm gonna go get part 2 in the car, okay? 2 into the car to get us. I wonder what it is. Maybe a dog. No, we don't need a dog. Okay. Hey. Why does it sound like it's ticking? Hey babe, does it sound like it's ticking to you?
Say the password now.
The password is boom. Hello? Hey, wake up. What? Where'd you go? You fell asleep really during present time? It's only been like 5 minutes. Are you serious? Sorry. It's just, it's like super boring. Anyways, I got this present. I thought of you. It said it's got her name written all over it. So here you go from me to you. Oh, doesn't it feel good to be nice? You know? I wonder what it is. Hold on. This is the way I open presents, okay? Wonder what it is. What's this? What the heck is this? There's nothing in here. It just says a sweet tea. Did you get this from work? Oh. That's funny. I'm nothing. Okay. Merry Christmas.